Hi guys, today we will discuss about how to delete Threads account without deleting Instagram. The process is straightforward and effortless. The only thing you have to do is open your Thread application. Once it will be open, tap on your profile icon which is on the right bottom. After tapping on it, take a look on the right top. You will see two lines. Just tap on these lines. And just below to accessibility, you can see the option which is called account. Just tap on this option. And on the third number, you can find the option deactivate or delete profile. Just tap on it. And here are two options, deactivate profile and delete profile. Now it's up to you what you want to do. If you want to just deactivate your account, then tap on the option deactivate profile. But if you want to delete your profile permanently, then tap on the second option delete profile. This will not delete your Instagram account, and also you can read only apply to your Thread profile. Your Instagram account will not be deleted or deactivated. Select what you want to do. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.